Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect Google Drive with Make.com. So here I am on the dashboard, and all you want to do is come at the top right, click on create a new connection. Okay, now here we see the plus icon, and we see right here this search. Okay, type in Drive, and you'll see Google Drive right here. It is verified. We have different actions. These are file folder related actions, for example, downloading files, creating folders, uploading files. You can set your own triggers and actions. Okay, these are access related. So whatever you wanted to go ahead and do, you select that. Let's say you wanted to download a file as soon as it was uploaded on a folder. So you select that, and then you come here, click on create a connection. Okay, you can name this anything you want. It's just for your own use. Come here, click on sign in with Google. You need to pick the Google account right here in this pop-up window that you want to go ahead and sign in with. I'll pick this one. Okay, there you go. And then they'll ask us to click here on continue. Basically, terms and conditions. Come here. You need to allow all the permissions. As you can see, already has access to 3 permissions. Come here, click on continue. And you're basically done. This pop-up window will now go ahead and close. And it's really that easy and simple. Found this helpful? Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to fun, greatly asked questions.